All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the monitor is mounted. The mechanism is working. It's the moment of truth. If I push this button, the monitor should go up. Yes! That's sick! Push it again, it should come down. Should come down.
Okay, so I'm not going to necessarily say that the technology failed in this particular video because the concept and the idea of the screen coming down from the ceiling was a good idea, but I would definitely point to the mechanics of the actual mounting itself, and it probably wasn't a great idea. I mean, you saw how the screen swung back on the pole that it was on. So what would I probably have tried differently with that? Before doing that video, I probably would have tested a couple of times to make sure that it worked, because sometimes when people are doing things live, I mean, things happen. I mean, I've ran into that before, did things live and something doesn't go right. But the idea was good, but the actual device mechanism and the mount hanging down from the ceiling, something kicked back and it wasn't a good idea.